Guys, for today's video, actually ano na to last December pa na news. But I opted not to create a video muna about this bank. Hindi naman siya bago. Almost the same template na rural bank, and then nagtatransition sila ng transactions online na or sa internet. So ito naman ay a rural bank coming from all the way sa north, sa Vigan. So ang pangalan nito or tinatawag itong V-Bank. V-Bank ni Chavit Singson. Ayan. So anong meron dito? Okay ba to na online or digital bank? Pantapat na ba to with the likes of Own Bank, C-Bank? Yan. Yung mga matataas na interest-bearing na savings account natin. So, eto na ba ang next big deal? Or wag na lang? Well, kayo magdi-decide yan. So, stick around, sit back, and let's discuss coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience or meron na akong knowledge na ginawa ko na ng videos and playlist na makita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay guys, so good day sa inyo lahat. Pag-usapan nga natin ngayon yung tinatawag nilang V-Bank. So this news was announced last December pa. And there are a couple of items na gusto kong i-highlight sa inyo with our review with V-Bank. So first and foremost, puntahan muna natin yung website ni V-Bank para makita natin at magkaroon tayo ng feel ng bangko na to. So vbank.ph yung kanyang website. Sabi dito, welcome to V-Bank, bangko ng masa. Tapos syempre, ang endorser niya ay si Chavit Singson dahil kasi malamang siya yung may-ari. At V-Bank, protecting your finances and personal information is our utmost priority. We are deliberate in safeguarding you from all forms of fraud to ensure the security of your money and personal data. We go all in and pursue legal action against fraudsters on your behalf daw. Oh, ito daw. So, yung mga traditional banks, sabi nila to, offer limited assistance if you experience fraud, leaving you on your own with nothing more than advice to exercise caution in the future. Furthermore, the process of recovering funds lost to fraud is so stressful and time-consuming, often resulting in unresolved cases and customer giving up any hope of getting their money back. Sabi, we are available when you need us. You will enjoy dealing with us. We will help you fulfill your dreams. So, V-Bank is constantly focused on providing safe, stress-free, and opportunity-filled service that are available 24/7. 24/7. So, sana available ang customer service ng 24/7. Ano ba yun? Then, download V-Bank. So, sa Google Play and App Store. So, ito na guys yung pasilip ng V-Bank app. Then, how to register. Ang corporate headquarters nila ay makikita sa 115 Salcedo Street, Vigan City, Ilocos Sur. V-Bank, or also known as Vigan Bangko Rural Incorporada, is regulated by Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. So, yun pala ang pangalan ng V-Bank. Check natin yung About Us. Okay, so, since 1984 pa pala itong V-Bank na to. So, Vigan Bangko Rural Incorporada is founded as a fully Filipino-owned corporation. With its founding, VBRI establishes a legacy of services to the Vigan City community. So, since 1984 pa pala siya. So, around 37 years na siya. And then, with SEC registration number, yan, 0000123915. Yan, enough for the brief background of V-Bank. Ngayon, the elephant in the room is, what are the features? Ano yung itsura ng app nila? Ito na nga. Tingnan na natin. So, dinownload ko yung V-Bank app using my iPhone. So, sa Apple Store ko siya dinownload and available din naman to sa Google Play Store just in case na gusto nyong i-download to. But, so if I were you guys, panoorin nyo yung video until the end kasi malalaman nyo naman kung okay itong V-Bank na to as a replacement or as your digital or online bank. So, ayan. Na-download ko na siya. Tapos, open natin V-Bank. Ayan, syempre, si Chavit Singson. Ayan, browse, transaction history, create account, get started. The terms and condition, sige, confirm. Enter nyo yung mobile number nyo. Then, i-enter nyo yung OTP nyo. After nyo ma-enter yung OTP nyo, is i-enter nyo na yung personal information nyo. And then, after personal information, yung address naman ninyo. After which is, tatanungin kayo ng income type, kung ano yung source of income nyo. And then, after this, KYC na, or know your customer. Basically, mag-upload na kayo ng selfie and your ID. After nyo mag-upload ng selfie and ID, manghihingi siya ng specimen signature. So, basically, sa white bond paper or sa papel, pipirma kayo ng 3 beses. And then, pipicturean nyo yun, and then i-attach nyo dito. And then, eto, mag-selfie na kayo to confirm your identity. After that, papakita na sa inyo yung account type na i-open nyo. So, sabi dito, and take note of this, guys. Pantatag savings account. Yun yung tawag sa savings account na i-open nyo with VBank. So, personal savings account, minimum initial deposit is 0. Well and good. Maintaining balance requirement is 0 pesos. Good. ADB to earn interest, 10,000 pesos. So, ADB, average daily balance, meaning kailangan day 1 to day 30 ang nilagay yung pera dyan na hindi nyo ginagalaw ay 10,000 pesos to earn interest. Hindi siya katulad ng own bank or C-Bank or Maya na kahit 500 pesos lang, mag-earn ng point something peso na interest yan. Ito, kailangan 10,000 yung minimum ADB na nandun sa inyong account para lang mag-earn. And ito na yung exciting part, guys. Interest rate per annum is 0.1%. Hindi 1%, kundi 0.1%. Okay, tuloy muna natin ito bago natin i-discuss yan. Kung okay ka na dyan, click next and then bibigay sa'yo summary ng application mo. And then if you accept, then i-upload nyo na. Ayan, processing application. Registration is processed. It may take up to 2 to 5 minutes. You will receive an SMS for the result of your application. There are a couple of items na gusto kong i-raise. Sige. Unang-una, pag-usapan natin yung interest. The interest is 0.1%. So that's 1/10 of 1%. Though, hindi ko alam kung mas mababa pa siya sa BPI na nasa 0.1 something yata yung BPI eh. So, kung sa tingin nyo, worth it yan para sa inyo, well and good yan. Go ahead and register and have an account with VBank. So, wala naman pumipigil sa atin. Pero for me guys, I can go with Como na may 2% interest. Si C-Bank, 4%. Si Maya, 3.5%. Even si CIMB, yung UpSave na basic niya is 2.5%. So, for me lang guys there are better banks than VBank. Or even si Netbank. Netbank is at 2%. Hindi ko ba sinasabi no, huwag kayong mag-open dyan or huwag kayong magbangko dyan. Nasa sa inyo po yun. But yung para sa akin lang po is there are better banks in terms of the interest rate na binibigay sa ating savings account. Next item or next thing to highlight is yung interface niya ay parehas ni Netbank. So, hindi ko pala napapakita sa inyo yung interface ni VBank. So, VBank, open natin yan. O, diba? Yun yung login. And then, ito naman yung dashboard niya. Actions, tingnan nyo settings. And then, punta tayo kay Netbank. Login, parehas sila. Dashboard, parehas din sila. Nagkaiba lang sila ng theme. Si VBank, color green. Si Netbank naman ay color blue. Pero tingnan nyo yung icons, parehas na parehas. Oh, guys, yung Netbank pala ay 4%. So, I stand corrected. Ang ano ko dito guys, ang theory ko dito guys, si Netbank kasi, hindi lang siya for customer. Meron din siyang business to business na line of business. Ano yung ibig sabihin? So, nagkikater din si Netbank ng ibang mga business. Hindi lang siya directly sa consumer. Meron din silang mga services na applicable sa isang business. And nakita ko, feeling ko, si VBank ay parang bumili ng service or kumukuha ng services coming from Netbank. Kaya kung mapapansin natin yung interface, parang template is the same as Netbank. So going back kay VBank, ito yung interface niya, yun nga, pantatag savings. Ayan, at ito nga guys, so ba't wala akong interest rate? 0.0. Dahil pala, minimum ng 10,000 to earn. Yun pala. Yeah, basically, wala kang ibang magagawa. Though, okay na to guys, I mean, working na tong account na to, just in case na gusto kong lagyan ng pera. Bills payment, ayan. Meron naman ding bills payment, buy load, okay. Deposit, you can deposit through EasyPay daw or, yeah, syempre bank transfer. Transfer yan, PesoNet and InstaPay. Yeah, pretty much yan lang. Napaka bare bone. Isa sa kinagandaan siguro nito, upon launching the app, meron na kagad silang biometrics. Versus kay own bank, ang tagal bago nagkaroon ng biometrics. Makalimutan ko lang guys, just in case na gusto nyong sumubok na Netbank, well, here's my referral code sa Netbank, gamitin nyo na lang. Final thoughts, or is it okay to use as your online bank? Well, sabi ko nga kanina, for me, it's not a viable option for me. Lalo na sobrang bababa ng interest and there are other banks na may mas magagandang features. Given na si C-Bank ay bumaba yung percentage niya, it's well high enough versus this VBank. Ewan ko comparing C-Bank and etong VBank, mas maganda pa rin yung interface ni C-Bank. Wala akong masasabi in terms of nagloko ba sa C-Bank or what. Medyo smooth sailing ang experience ko with C-Bank. Well, with VBank naman, I really haven't tried banking kasi feeling ko it would just be a waste of time. For me. for me yun, guys, ha. But again, if you want to, then go ahead and use VBank. So, yan ang ating review for VBank for today. For our question of the day, sa tingin nyo, ano yung dapat i-improve ni VBank para pwede siyang makipagsabayan with the likes of Ownbank, Cbank, even Netbank, Mayabank, etc. Well, i-comment niyo yan sa comment section sa baba at may chance kayong manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay at Made4D. Sabi niya, I think game changer pa rin yung 15 free transfers per week. This is so important for people like me na talagang naghahanap ng zero fees. Shoutout sa mga ka-team zero fees dyan. Ayan. Shoutout po at Made4D. Tama po kayo. Napaka-helpful talaga nung free InstaPay transfer. And yeah, sino ba naman may ayaw ng zero fees, di ba? Yan. At Made4D, shoutout po sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa panonood at pagsuporta ng aking mga videos. Thank you so much. I hope you like this video. Leave a thumbs up. And if not, wala nang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabi ng subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!